What? We got my spot, guys. Jeez.
Now you're nakita ko ba?
Jeez. Hey, what's up, Katut? Ah! What is up, yo? You need water? Oh, there.
Katut, how are you?
It's what you make it. Always try to give. Don't ever take it. Life is but a dream. It's what you make it. Always try to give. Don't ever take it.
Now been demoted to the backseat. But I'm with Fiel and Bea. What's up, guys? Hey, what's up? Hey, guys, say hi to the vlog. Hi, vlog. So it's day 3 in Bali, Indonesia, and we are heading to Seminyak. So it's one of the more touristy places out here in Bali. We just stopped over at a convenience store because people wanted to buy food and things in the restaurant. Phil, I think this is real meat.
Oh yeah, I think it is. I don't know. I think it's because of the picture.
Yeah. Okay. We are now at Seminyak, and on the way here it looked a lot like, what would you describe it? Like it was a lot like a social D-mall.
Yeah.
Right?
Okay.
If you guys are familiar with D-mall in Boracay. Yeah, it's like a what?
That's my
Oh, okay. Yeah. As Bea put it a while ago, if Solen you were to go to Bali, she would be over here in Seminyak. Anyway, now we're walking towards the beach, La Plancha, if I'm not mistaken. It's how does it look like? It's the one with the colorful umbrellas, right? Oh.
It's like Arabian Nights.
Ooh, I like that. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow. Cool. Alright, so I guess we're gonna go see the original inflatable island.
The original inflatable islands.
Awesome stuff. I don't know what to say now.
Allow me to introduce myself. Who knows what dastardly crime he might perpetrate next? He's a very clever arch criminal who must be put away. Another innocent victim of the suicidal maniac.
Kind of wag, it's because I took out my mic. We are now in Hotel Mexicola here in Seminyak, and it's so Instagram worthy, yo. Look at that. Are you happy to be here?
Yeah.
So yeah, it's really nice over here. We're gonna have some drinks and some tacos, and I guess we're gonna do some cinematics. I mean, it's golden hour. The lights are amazing, and yeah, it's gonna be some great cinematic shots over here. So, day 4 in Bali, Indonesia, and we are here at Ubud, but we are 4 people down because the couples, Bea, Fiel, Hope, and Celine, they went to Ubud as well, but alone, because they had like reservations in a hotel elsewhere. What's up, Bianca? Anyway, we are here now at Groves. What's the name of this temple? Batuan Temple. This is Batuan Temple, and we're gonna get our sarongs up in this again because we need sarongs to, you know, pay respects to the culture of Indonesia. So get to it, putting that sarong over there. Alright, sarong me up, man.
I want my to match.
Do it.
I want my sarong to match.
you. Nice. This is the entrance to one temple. It's literally like on the road. It's kind of weird, but okay.
So this offer for the spirit, we try to live harmony between human and the spirit. That's why we put yes on the gate. It's like we said, oh, this is your limit. Do not enter this. So here, most of the sculpture if you see is a monster sculpture. This is to remind us before we enter third year where we can meet with a god. So we have to control our monster mind. In real life, human is the real monster. We are the monster, not the animal. We are the monster.
Except monkeys.
Okay. Now.
Alright, so we're done with the temple, and now we're in Tegenungan Waterfall. Tegenungan Waterfall. So this is how it is normal day. And during rainy season, it looks like this. Kind of sucks. Yeah, hi. One ticket, please. Thank you.
120, naging 80 na lang.
Rose was trying to buy
Oh, I know, it's a bit
those sarong jogger pants things. And it was 120 rupiah. Malamang they're trying to rip us off. So, buti na lang na tawaran ni Groves na. Groves, magkano mo na tawaran?
From 120, I made it 80.
Nice. So, normally, I try to be more energetic, but pretty tired from last night. So, while the girls are shopping, Dooms and I are gonna have our corn on the cob. I got a spicy one. And I ordered coffee because the coffee here in Bali is insane. Right, dude?
Yeah, dude. It's in a whole other level.
Yeah. Like we saw a Starbucks and no one's inside a Starbucks because their local coffee is that much better.
They don't need no Starbucks.
Alright. I forgot to vlog that we were done eating, but yeah, we're done eating and now I'm in like the steps on the way down to the waterfall. It's not that big of a hike, it's just pretty steep, but it's like what, 30, 45 steps long. Not too bad. I'm not gonna swim because it's day 4 and I haven't taken any shot that I'm super proud of yet, especially for like Instagram or something or for the video I'm trying to make. So today is gonna be like film day. Got my 5D over here because I need, you know, fast switching from vlog to movie to picture, and that's why I have 2 cams set up. The falls look amazing. Look at that. Yeah, waterfall is insane. Girls, how are you feeling?
I feel so alive right now.
It's really nice. I think it's cold by the water. Tell me if it's cold.
I'll go.
Yeah, go. I can't. Yeah. I want to swim, but I didn't bring swim trunks because I really just wanted to take videos today.
Swim now with your camera!
Look at Hans! Look at that body though.
I just ate.
Yeah, pero batak niche. Oh man, oh, the mist is going to the camera and the mic and everything is getting wet, but I don't really care anymore. Ala na.
What up, Dooms?
Alright, we are done here at the falls, and I didn't swim, but I wish I did. It was gorgeous. But I did take some awesome shots up there in the cliff. And you probably already saw the cinematic. Now we're gonna have a late lunch, and our lunch is gonna be suckling pig. So that is like their version of it's called babu giling, guling.
Babi guling.
Hey, what's up? Yeah, say hello. What is it?
Babi guling.
Babi guling. It's called babi guling. It's like their version of lechon over here, and everybody's been saying that it's good, so we're gonna go try it right now. Alright, so now we are in Ibuoka to taste some babi guling. What is up, guys? Are you excited to eat?
Yeah.
Yes. I know Hans is very excited.
I want the skin. I'm hungry.
I'm gonna order individually. I'm gonna get some rice and some babi guling. Now I'm saying, and I'm so excited because I'm very hungry. Yes.
Bro, they probably ate here.
Nice.
The palace is there.
Nice.
Oh wait, so they were literally just there?
Nice. Are you excited, Jess?
I am.
Are you excited, Bianca?
So excited.
I am done. Look at that. Finishing. I'm done eating my babi guling special, and I'm gonna give it a rating of. What's a good rating?
Over what?
Over 10. 8.5.
8.5?
8.5.
No, I give it an 8.5 solid 8.
Yeah, I give it an 8.5 because of this thing.
Hey everyone, so this is our new ABC sauce. It's
Oh
so
my god! You guys should try it when you get to Bali. Just put it on everything. That ABC sauce is pretty good. So we are done with our lunch, and Kara's here walking with me. What is up, Kara? Gabby, I tripped. Gabby and Jess are over there. The crew's at the back taking some photos. And there's a really annoying brake sound on my right side. And wala lang, ang sakit niya sa tenga. Anyway, we are going to Elephant Cave Temple or something like that now. It's around 4:30 in the afternoon out here. And thank the Lord that it's not raining, because AccuWeather was like, yo, it's gonna rain during the day.
I hope you didn't jinx it.
Yeah, but I said thank the Lord, so I don't think it's gonna be jinxed. So, sobrang sarap dito sa Bali, parang nasa Pilipinas ka lang.
Tagalog siya.
Kasi same weather, ganon. Same price ng food, maraming karinderya, may street foods, ganon. And some of the words are kind of similar. It's kind of cool that we have similar words. Like when a shop is open, it's called buka. So it's like buka, you know what I'm saying? You drool! Kara laughed when I said buka, and she was like, drool. We are now going to the entrance of the Elephant Cave Temple. So here, go get that ticket. No, I'm saying ticket. Why are you guys laughing at me?
I was laughing at you.
Shameless plug. I love Too Faced Cosmetics. I know, it gives like a really
Thank you for your highlighter. It's amazing.
Stay on your
Feel
eyes.
free to comment down below to judge. Comment down below to judge. Please do.
You're welcome. Follow me at Bianca_. At Nick Groves.
You guys don't want to see any more of those girls, comment down below. If you do, comment down below so I can like hang out with them more and let them be in the vlog. Oh, yes, monkeys.
Oh, life ain't a ding dong. If I could take you up in boom boom boom, boom boom, tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.